I'm going to show you how to transfer ChatGPT to Gemini, like the conversations, the projects, the memory, and the context, and probably everything else on your account. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up ChatGPT and sign into your account. Now, you can do this on any device. Now, you want to use this prompt. I want you to summarize everything on this account: conversations, preferences, projects, context, memory, and also include instructions for Gemini to make sure to generate a file that contains everything to transfer over to Gemini and use it there to maintain the same data. Now you can send this prompt and wait for it to do the work. In the meantime, you will need to sign in to your Gemini account. So you can go to gemini.google.com and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. And if you go back to ChatGPT, it just finished the work and it produced a file to transfer ChatGPT to Gemini. Now you can basically just click on this file to download it. And all you need to do is go back to your Gemini chat where you started a new chat and then just drag and attach the generated file from ChatGPT. Now, once it is attached, you can simply write your prompt as if you're using your old ChatGPT account. So for example, I can ask it something like, what's the last thing I did on ChatGPT, and send the prompt. And as you can see, it produced the answer with the latest conversations I had with ChatGPT. And that's how you basically transfer over context and memory and conversations between different providers. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.